Okay, I see it. They braced it there. They braced it there. They didn't put nothing on that side. Come around to this side. They braced it there because of the weight of the 15s. They hit that whole wall over there. As to lock that in, let's see if they hit this to that. Which they did, right along there. Okay, so that was a good brace. But where we failed at was over here, on these walls over here. So we're going to apply that same technique to the sides and relock this whole wall down. Do the same thing there, all the way around. And then even on the bottom level here, we're going to relock all that. So a gang of wood cutting and glue. So that's what we're going to do tomorrow. We're done for tonight. Okay. We ain't gonna go around Tony Montana voice. But yeah, so that's what the goal is here tomorrow. Relock everybody in. Since I was financially incentivized to get this out ahead of everything else I'm doing, which you see there's the 8 bike in progress converted to 10s. Bunch of upgrading. I think the sun is out, people's out. Man gave a testimony that, hey, Rob, they love me. I don't want to sell the car. First I was interested, but now I don't. Hey, is what it is. Gotta go.